Tell me why I fucked around and dropped my damn camera. What's good, this nephew? Let's back in another vlog, bro. This is now part 2 from the previous video. If you haven't seen that one already, cause part 2, different low. Let's see how this one goes. Wow. I need to pull up my pants now. Thanks, Sarah, for not being here. Fuck. Don't worry about this one. Let me see. Nah, we're good.
Chilling?
Ugly.
Damn, bro, I just took a beating, bro.
I'm saying, we're good.
Still working and chilling.
Yep. I ain't worried about it. Let's go. But this thing is built to. I'm good. I fucked around and dropped my camera. Okay, let's talk about this. Tell me why I fucked around and dropped my damn camera in front of those people. And now I gotta go tell Kiara about it. Kiara, guess what happened? I dropped my damn camera, but my camera's fine. I'm so thankful my camera's fine. It took a nasty beat to it, tumbled, but my camera's fine and we're good. So I'm not even tripping. But the fact that I dropped it, I'm kind of pissed. But so far, she's good. I'm not worried. But that was a tad embarrassing, but I don't give a fuck. And plus, at the end of the day, as long as my camera is okay, we're good. I'm not even like embarrassed no more, but I still can't believe I dropped my camera in front of all those fucking people. And while they were recording, everybody was recording. It happens, but it's all good though. It's funny as hell though. Damn. All right, but I'm here. I'm sitting here chilling. For the most part, that's pretty much it. You know, people are starting to even leave now because, you know, bad for that. But I know oil changes are frequent in that car. Every few minutes, get oil change. But yeah, bro, that was pretty hard. But yeah, bro. So. Alright guys, I think that's it for me. I'm finna go ahead and head home. Thank you guys for tuning in like always. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. This is part 2. I'm gonna see you guys next video. Take it easy. Peace.